back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I just make a nice lovely pineapple smoothie. Look at this, amazing, really fantastic, nice, tasteable. And this kind of weather, we need something like this. Anyway, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google plus me and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. We always have the best recipe. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe. Anyway, I have some pineapple left over. I'm going to make a nice lovely pineapple smoothie. First thing, let's put the ice. Let's put the pineapple, you know, the ice. Pineapple sweet and nice. So we're gonna put the pineapple straight inside of it like this. Next, some ice. It's going to be a pineapple smoothie with ginger. So it's going to be fantastic. Alright, we're gonna put a little bit of stuff in it, like we're gonna remove the skin from the ginger. So once you remove the skin from your ginger, let's cut off a little piece. Put it straight in it like this. Lemon, same thing. Summer. Squeeze off a lime in it. Lemon in it like this. Get the flavor from the lime. Little bit of water to free the blender. We know say pineapple is sweet, but we're gonna put a little bit of honey because of the ice. Once cover it, I'm gonna blend it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So that's finished. What we're going to do next is pour the pineapple straight inside of this glass. Pineapple smoothie. Amazing drink. And I know you guys 100% will love this one. With ginger and lemon. So this is what's gonna happen when you make such a nice juice like this. Right here, I finish with the blender. Don't need this no more. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We have a lot more recipe will be coming for you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.